Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of my huge Dollar Tree haul. If you missed part 1, I will link that down below for you guys. I did a really big haul and I kind of broke it up in 2 parts because I didn't want to overwhelm you guys. Today I'm sharing with you what else I picked up at Dollar Tree over the past couple months. I'm a little bit behind on my hauls, so there are going to be quite a lot. Hopefully you guys don't mind. You guys seem to really love these hauls, and if you do love Dollar Tree hauls, please give this video a big thumbs up. It helps out my channel so much. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And let's get on into it. I'm feeling sassy and super 90s today with my little fuzzy Dollar Tree scrunchies. And I don't know if you can see, but I have this like really cute Hello Kitty shirt on that I'm obsessed with. Let's just get right on into it. I'm going to share with you guys everything else that I picked up at Dollar Tree. We have so much cute stuff. Cumulative for like over a few months, so don't think I just picked up everything at one time. This is like multiple trips, multiple stores. So this was when the NYX soft matte lip cream started coming out at Dollar Tree, which was like one of the coolest things this year for sure. This is in the shade Buenos Aires, which is this really pretty pink. It's not necessarily bright pink. I feel like it's kind of like a peachy pink. So I am excited to wear this in my car for way too long. So this will definitely be featured in an upcoming Dollar Tree makeup tutorial. Really pretty color. Maybe like 5 different shades to choose from when those first appeared at Dollar Tree. And then I also picked up a Sassy and Chic precision brush. I absolutely love these brushes. They are so good, very underrated. And this one I love because it is so tiny. And this is perfect for a couple things. I love it for my inner corner to use with creams, with glitters. It's also really nice for getting up in the brow bone if you want to highlight your brow bone. Any little precision work with like concealing, little spots, this is perfect. One little like zebra handle print. I picked up another set of these Sassy and Chic nail art stickers. I thought these were fun because it was like this multicolored leopard print. Actually, you can kind of see it a little better on the back here. But these also come with little French tips. I had picked up 2 in my last haul that were I think it's the Be Pure brand, which is something that's been popping up recently at Dollar Tree. I picked up tons of makeup in this haul, you guys are gonna see. So this first one is the LA Colors Matte Lips in the shade Keeper. It's like a brownish kind of color. And I just thought this was really similar possibly to the Milani matte, I think they're called matte fetish lipsticks, which are in my top 10 under 10. So I was like, you know what? Let me see if this is similar, because if so, that could be an amazing Dollar Tree dupe. So it's kind of like more like a deeper brown tone shade. So I'm really excited to try this out. I'm a huge fan of the LA Colors lipsticks. You guys know the 2 shades that I'm obsessed with. Actually, I bought backup, so let me show you that next. These are my 2 favorite colors, and when I saw them a couple months back, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to buy backups. These actually have like a caramel kind of scent to them, which is really nice. So the shade Pinky Swear is so pretty, and then Oh Teddy is just, oh my gosh, it's like the perfect brown nude. They are really creamy and opaque. They glide on the lips beautifully, and I also sometimes I wear them separate, but I also will kind of layer them together depending on what kind of nude look I'm going for. I really hope that you guys are still able to find these. Someone told me you can buy them in bulk on the Dollar Tree website, and actually, just so you guys know, everything on the Dollar Tree website right now is still $1, which is really nice. So there are some things that you can get there in smaller quantities, like quantities of 4, and then of course you can also buy in bulk there, which is the majority of the Dollar Tree website is buying in bulk, and you can get it shipped to the store. But anywhoosies, I absolutely love these, and it says they are moisturizing, which I actually find them to not be really that drying, which is so nice, especially for something that's definitely more of like a budget kind of brand. So these are my loves right here. I actually got 2 Pinky Swears, okay? I told you the love is real. I picked up another shade of the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I definitely probably got this color for a giveaway for you guys. So again, make sure you're following me on my Dollar Tree Instagram at Dollar Tree Dolly, because I do tons of giveaways there of like makeup and everything. I just did a couple over the past few weeks. So this is the shade Ibiza, which is kind of like a berry color. Really pretty, definitely a bit deeper than the last soft matte cream I showed you guys. Oh my gosh, I got in 2 actually of Oh Teddy. So I have 2 backups now. I also got this LA Colors auto eyeliner in bright white. If you guys watch my makeup tutorials, you know that I am a huge nude white waterline kind of gal. It's like my favorite thing ever to open up the eyes, and I just love that look. So I saw this in the new LA Colors display and I grabbed it so I could use it in a tutorial for you guys, and I hope this is good. I have some high hopes because I have been loving so many LA Colors products recently. So this is another new LA Colors find. You guys know I've been kind of struggling to find new eyeshadow palettes at my Dollar Tree to use in makeup tutorials. So this one I picked up and it looks pretty good. It is a quad. It's called LA Colors Bear. And I mean, it looks nice. I like the two mattes. The two shimmers look pretty promising. I think in total they had 4 different quads to choose from. This is a really pretty Flower Beauty lip gloss in the shade Lava. Again, we'll probably end up putting this in a giveaway. It's just like a orange sparkly kind of color. So we love finding new flower things. And this is the Galaxy Glaze Holographic Lip Gloss. I actually think I tried one of these in my last DT makeup tutorial and I really liked it. I don't know if I ever mentioned this on here, but this is one of my favorite items ever. It's in the like first aid section. It's the Natureplex Triple Antibiotic Ointment. I use this all the time on my cuticles, and if you guys have cuticle issues like I do where you pick at them, put this on. See if I can get some out of here. Put this on your cuticles and it literally is the same exact formula as Neosporin. Put this on before bed and layer it with a cuticle oil and you will wake up to such nice cuticles. I have seriously such an issue of picking mine, and this is one of the only things that helps me. So I'm just applying some right now. So this is actually, I think, my second bottle. I used up a whole tube of this, so I like to keep one of them in my car in like an emergency kit if I'm on the go and had like a little boo-boo or something. So I have this on hand. This is one of my like favorite products that literally no one knows or talks about except me, I feel. This is literally the cutest little hair clip. This is this like rainbow snap clip. How cute is this? I love these. So I am hoping though, now that things are $1.25, that they'll start coming out with more 2-packs, because I feel like paying $1.25 for this is kind of like, I bought this back when it was $1, but I just feel like if it's going to be $1.25 now, it should definitely be a duo pack so we can kind of get our money's worth. So hopefully we'll see more of that. Just so cute. I love snap clips. Even when I wear my hair like this, which is a lot of times, I'll put a little snap clip in my hair and it just kind of adds a little something extra to the look. So you guys know I love anything sparkly and colorful. Really, I have an obsession, and it is with Ioni lashes. Okay, it's like in every single haul. I can't help myself. I thought this was such a cute collection. It was this like, I don't know, what would you call it, like sweets collection where everything was themed around dessert. They come out with the cutest packaging. So these are Cherry Jubilee Wispy Doll Crisscross. This next one is Chocolate Chunk. This is Natural Doll Medium. So pretty. This one is Vanilla Bean Natural Cat Eye Light. I actually don't think I have any of these styles except possibly Wispy Doll Crisscross, but it's always nice to have these on hand because then I can include them in giveaways or whatever, and it's just kind of fun to also collect the different packaging that they have. And I hate to even get rid of the packaging because at this point I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty, but I know I have to use them. So I loved all 3 of these styles. So here they are up close. They are so cute. I feel like a broken record at this point, but if you have not tried Ioni lashes yet, you are seriously missing out. They are my favorite lashes ever, and they're just amazing. I also love cutting them and doing the corner lash, which you guys know is been one of my like favorite styles for doing makeup, is adding a little corner lash with these. Next item is this Flower Beauty all-in-one brow mascara. So another item that I'm really excited to test out, and this is in medium dark. Saying one side is just like a brow, I think it's a tinted brow gel, and then the other side is just a comb. So I don't know how I would really use that comb. It's a little bit big and bulky, but I'm definitely down to try out the like tinted brow mascara and see how that performs. So I think I only found this one medium brown color, but it says our sheer brow mascara tames unruly brows while adding a natural tint of color to fill in sparse areas. So yeah, I mean, I love brow gels. I pretty much use one every single time I do my makeup. So we'll see how this one is. This item is really cool. It says e.l.f. Active Workout Ready Hydration Stick. So this is kind of like an on-the-go moisturizer, which I think is so nice for traveling. So if you are on the go, I mean, I don't know if I would like put this in my gym bag, but you definitely can. That's kind of the whole point of the line. And it says it's sweat resistant and it won't clog your pores. So let's see, it has water, propylene glycol, it has aloe leaf extract, it has grapeseed oil, cocoa seed butter, shea butter, it does have fragrance. And it also does, the one thing I don't like is when brands add artificial colors to things. To me, it just seems so unnecessary. Like, why does something that's clear need blue 1 and yellow 5? I just honestly think that's ridiculous, and I really hope brands stop doing that. Like, it's just so unnecessary. So maybe I'll try this in a tutorial, or maybe I'll end up putting it in a giveaway. I haven't really decided yet, but I always love finding e.l.f. stuff at Dollar Tree. Okay guys, next up I found this really cool CoverGirl liquid eye glitter. I am a huge liquid eye glitter lover. This is definitely a dupe for the Stila Glitter and Glows, and this is in the shade Twinkle Town. It's just like a silver kind of micro glitter. I mean, you can't really turn down a good CoverGirl item, especially an eye glitter at Dollar Tree. Again, I did buy this back when things were $1, so this should be really fun to try out. I love a glam look. I am even wearing glitter today. I'm wearing the e.l.f. glitter, and I think it's called Disco Queen, and I'm fully in love with it. So I think this one should be good. CoverGirl recently went cruelty free also, like last year, or maybe it was the year before, which was really awesome. So we will test this out as well. I thought this was such a cool find. All right guys, we are down to the wire, and I still have amazing items to share with you. So I picked up 2 of the cutest headbands ever. Oh my goodness. So I showed these in a shop with me on my other Discount Dolly channel, and they are these Sherpa headbands. Oh, are these not the cutest things you have ever seen in your life? So I already have the matching scrunchies from like last year, and those are just the cutest thing ever. Okay, so they're like the little turban style with the knot in the front, and they also had a gray color. So I got the pink and the tan, so I can kind of mix and match with my outfits. I can't wait to wear these. I am like a headband collector. I just love headbands, and then like I have this whole rack of them, and then I have to actually wear them. Okay, that's the issue. So my goal this year has to be to wear more of my Dollar Tree headbands, especially in videos and stuff, so you guys can see what they look like. But these were just honestly too cute. I also got this headband, which will probably end up going in a giveaway, but I love it. It's so cute. I also got the matching scrunchie, which is in my room. It's this really cute bow leopard headband, and I loved the actual leopard print on here because it's like pastel and multicolor. Oh, so cute. I love these little bows. I think they're so much fun, and you can actually take off the bow if you want to, like it kind of just comes off. But how cute is that? So I'm always a sucker for the Dollar Tree hair aisle. It just speaks to me. Whoever is in charge of the Dollar Tree hair aisle, give that woman a raise. This item people went crazy over when I posted it on my Instagram, and I only found them once, and it was in like the glass and bowl aisle. So random. It's the Crafters Square wood beads. Okay, this is an amazing find. So I found 2 of them. So here's what it looks like outside of the packaging. And I think what I'm gonna actually do with these is I'm probably gonna like put it in a basket and kind of lay it on top of a basket that I have. I think that would be cute. And you can also obviously use these for like other craft projects, or just leave it as it is. But some people even will like take the beads off, use them for something else. When in a giveaway, keep this one for myself, and especially because it's such like a highly coveted Dollar Tree find, I had to get them. You know, it's just one of those things. So really cute, but again, so hard to find. And it's actually interesting though, sometimes if I post something on Instagram and it gets a lot of traction, sometimes Dollar Tree will actually see that, because I think they do kind of like study my Instagram and see what people are interested in, and then it seems like they'll kind of push out those products more. You just kind of have to wait a couple months sometimes, but you will start to see an influx of more of a particular item that people seem to be really excited over, at least from what I can see being in the stores all the time. just particular items that I post. So keep checking your stores, you guys, because hopefully these will show up at your stores. They're so cute. Pretty long too, my goodness. Okay, the last item is so cool. This is actually something that I only found, I think, one time, and this is really awesome. This is the Sphynx all-in-one portable razor. This is kind of crazy. Like, even the packaging is super cute. There's another packaging that was going around that some people were finding, but this one has like the cute little like spinny thing on it. So fun fact, Sphynx razor, I actually did the videos for their website. I did like a collab with them, a paid collaboration. I think it was in 2018. So I did like their educational videos, which was really fun, and they were so nice. So then when I saw this at Dollar Tree, I was like, oh my gosh. So I don't know what happened to this brand. I looked them up and it seems like the website's gone. I don't see their social media anymore. So I'm assuming that they folded, and I guess they weren't successful, which is sad. But yeah, I mean, I guess it's something that they tried and it just kind of failed. It's really, really hard to launch businesses, so I totally understand. So the concept is cool though. It's basically a portable razor you can take, put in your car. If you see like a little piece of hair, you know, before you're going to an event or something, whip this out. There's a little spray bottle inside. You could spray your leg. There's a little soap bar, and there's a little razor. And then I also found the refill packs at Dollar Tree. I don't know if I bought the refill packs though. So I'm trying to decide if I should just put this, I'll probably end up putting it in a giveaway, although it is cute in your car to have on hand. But yeah, it's kind of like just a shaving on the go kit. And it's pink. It's so cute. And this is exactly what it looks like right here. It's literally this circle. So it says here, shave anytime, anywhere, in your car, put in your purse, gym bag, luggage. It is TSA approved. It's really cool. And like, come on, this is an amazing Dollar Tree find. Like, this really, really shocked me. So I wasn't kidding you guys when I told you I had amazing, crazy good hauls for you. That is it. That is the last item in this huge haul, part 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below if you have found any of these items. I would love to hear from you. I hope you guys are having an amazing week. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!